see here, these are the swags of Google Cloud Premium. The very first one is Google Cloud pens. You can see Google Cloud. These are the two pens I got from Google Cloud, and the next swag is we can see here body. Let us open it. So this is the bottle I got from Google Cloud. Let us open it and see from inside. So you can see this is our bottle from inside. You can see here Google Cloud, and that's it. And the next swag will be the lamp from Google Cloud. You can see here, and you can see here lamp. They gave charger to charge it, and you can see the lamp. So this is the lamp we got in Google Cloud, and let us see. We switch on it. So I have switched it on. So this is the light from Google Cloud. You can see here, and if we press one more time, it will change to warm light, and if we press one more time, it will change to cool light. If we press one more time, it will get off. We can on and off here by moving this button. And the next swag we can see is here t-shirt. You can see here Google Cloud t-shirt, premium t-shirt. This one is premium t-shirt, and you can see here Google Cloud Arcade. That one you can also see here as Google Cloud. And the next bag is our Google Cloud bag, premium bag. So this is the Google Cloud premium bag, and you can see here you can see the inner sections also. Inner section is like this, and so from inside it looks like this. And this is the laptop section, and this is the water bottle section. They gave this time 2 sections for water bottle. That's it. And you can also see here they also gave rain cover for this bag. You can see this. So this is the end of the video. So these are the Google Cloud Premium specs. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.